7:36 Sunday morning. I got like 3 in the hole. Got a bar unit to look at a restaurant. I think I got an evap cooler at a restaurant to look at, and then I sold that little 1/2 horsepower condensing unit when I had to pull out, where it was low on BTUs for the little walk-in box, and I found a reach-in where it's just about the same BTUs as the one that's in this reach-in we're going to pull out. That should work out pretty good. I got my sidekick right here, riding shotgun, a little fan. I had to change an air handler out in the attic yesterday. That little guy right there, that was my best friend. I got that trick from you guys. If you look up there towards the mountain, you'll see the fog's going to burn off. The ocean's that way. Inland is that way. So we're going to have a nice sunny day after the fog burns off this morning. And let's get out there. It's first stop of the day. Nice evap cooler. You can see the motor's fried. Look at the windings in there. So I gotta get him a new evap motor. Already got the brackets off. Let's pull it up here. What you'll see in my area a lot is they run these things without the water in them, because like we got the fog out in the mornings, like you'll see. They don't get super high temps, so this thing should be replaced. I mean, you'd think in the summertime they'd put the water on, see how it's all rusted out, but they don't. They just blow the air for it for makeup air, so we'll see what she wants to do here. Half horsepower. Air coming in the kitchen for makeup air. That's fine. But I did give her a price. Well, I'm going to give her a price. I'm waiting for my electrician to see if we got room in the panel to run a mini split for the dining area. And they'll put a 2-tonner, 24,000 BTU aircon in there. We'll see how that goes. Let's get to the next one and see what's happening. Too, the bar unit's warm. Kind of sounds like it's low on charge, but they got the fire truck out here. They said someone in a camper dumped the black tank in the parking lot. They just drained all the turds and shit right there in the parking lot. Terrible. Freaking trolls. Super freaking hot down here. As you can see, it's all boxed in. I'm gonna get my hole saw and drill some holes in there to pull some air from back here. But this is our unit. Let me squeeze back here. And you can see it's low on charge. We got a leak somewheres. I'm gonna start washing out these coils and cool this shit down back here. We got some relief holes going. Also ran my hose through there. Try and get some of the air from over here into here, and then it has a couple teeny weeny exhausts. So it's just rebreathing superheated discharge air. It's terrible. Wash every coil in that place and the air conditioner coils. I got it recharged, checked everything down below. It was good. And then I'm gonna come back on a weekday to check the indoor coils. It's too busy in there right now. It's it's 12:41 on a hot Sunday. The bar is packed. So got them going, and then we're off to go install that little condensing unit in that reach-in next. Let's get out there. All right, so here's the little unit I got. It's 3,900 BTUs. It's too small for this job I had. Whatever. I pulled it out, made it right. I'm going to reinstall it on this reach-in, and I'll show you a picture of the H.V.A.C compressor that was 3,800 BTUs, I think. So this will fit perfect right in there. So to take the receiver out, because it's a cap tube unit, you don't use a receiver with a cap tube unit, so you wouldn't take the receiver out. So I took the receiver off, and we'll get to mowing here.